This is the PatioZen Package Delivery Box. This is the 55-gallon version, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to unbox this guy real quick and show you what it's like to go ahead and build it. This is the box it all came in. Let's go ahead and start. All right, I've got all the pieces laid out right here. One really cool thing that I noticed is that if you look over here and we look at the kind of shininess of this piece, see that D there? That is the letter marker for the manual, and the manual to assemble this is pretty solid. So I've got it right here. Super easy to work with. It's just a couple of different pictures. It's detailed enough, and these are all the pieces that came with it here. So you've got the total of 6 pieces. Sides, other sides, that's the front, that's the back, that's the top, and that's the bottom. So let's go ahead and start assembling. So I've gotten most of it assembled, and I gotta say, I've gotten this thing pretty much assembled within 2 minutes. It's been hands down the easiest assembly I've had here. But check this out. So if you notice on the bottom here, don't know if you can see that, there we go. There's these little clips right here, these little nubs sticking up here, here, and here. So these guys actually clip into this top part on each piece. Here's another side piece. And I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this guy here so you can see just how easy it is to assemble this. But the cool part about it is, with the way these clips work, no one's able to just walk up and break it off. They actually stay put pretty well. Oh, this guy's not sticking out there. But there we go. It is all assembled. All right, just got the top on. Top went on just as easy, but it's not gonna be coming off all that easily. This thing is not gonna be coming apart by accident at all. I think this is gonna be fantastic for packages. Let me go ahead. I'm gonna throw it outside real quick and let's see how it looks. So here's the delivery box outside here. So a delivery person can walk up to the porch right here. Just go ahead and see it's for deliveries. Lift it, throw the packages inside, drop it. It's gonna work perfect for my uses. If you're in the market for a package delivery box, this thing's gonna work amazing for me, and I highly recommend it.